If you love quick and easy pastry recipes, you are going to love these phyllo dough pastries. Today I'm showing you 3 delicious phyllo dough snack ideas. 1 savory with ham and cheese, 1 sweet with banana and cheese or banana and Nutella, and a fresh breakfast combo with tomato and mozzarella. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, snack, or something new to try, these easy phyllo dough recipes are perfect. Let's get started. This is the phyllo dough that I use. You can use any brand you like. They are thin like paper, and I just brush melted butter on every single layer until I have about 10 layers. It is okay if they are ribbed, as long as you put the nice unribbed on top. I found using half unsalted butter and half regular salted butter creates the best flavor. Then I like to cut all 4 sides using a pizza cutter so the phyllo dough looks neat. Depending what I'm making, I measure the phyllo dough about 3 to 4 inches for the ham and cheese. I put the cheese at the bottom and ham on top and roll it. Put an egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk in a bowl and whisk. Then use it to brush the phyllo dough. Bake in the preheated 400-degree oven until golden brown. Mine takes about 10 minutes. For the breakfast combo with tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese, I prepare the dough the same manner and cut into 4 by 3 inches. Brush with egg wash and bake in the oven at 400 degrees oven until golden brown. Take it out from the oven and let it cool slightly. Add fresh sliced mozzarella cheese and tomatoes. We have the same process again for banana and cheese or banana and Nutella or chocolate. I like to measure the dough about 4 by 4 inches. For the best taste, I use overripe bananas. Put the cheese and the sliced bananas, brush the sides, and cover. Pinch the sides. Brush with egg wash and bake at 400 degrees oven until golden brown. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.